Hello everyone, welcome again. This problem here on the board was given to me by one of my fans, one of my followers. Today we'll see how we can solve these problems in order to satisfy my follower out there. Alright, the problem on the board here says evaluate open bracket 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3 close brackets raised to the power of 2. Solution. Now we see how we can solve these problems one after the other so you could understand this better. I'll first of all treat this problem. I'll first of all bring 4 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2 and I'll solve this separately. Then I will now solve this separately. We'll now bring them together in the bracket for you to understand it better. Now 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2, this is another indices. This is one of the laws of indices. Now, what is the base at this point? My base at this point is what? Is 4. Now, you see how you can expatiate this base, which is 4, to have a power which is the same as this denominator. To have the same power with this denominator here. Now, what's the denominator of my power? 2. So, we will see how we can expatiate this, or let's see how we can expand this to give me the same power of this denominator. What is the power of this denominator? 2. Alright, now this is nothing but 2 raised to the power of 2 will satisfy this 4. 2 raised to the power of 2 is the same thing as what? 4, which is 2 times 2. This is 4 at this point. Open bracket, close bracket, and I have my 1 over 2 at this point. Now, you believe with me that this can cancel this. Yes. Whenever you have same power inside the bracket and you have same power inside the bracket and outside the bracket as your denominator, you can cancel out. What am I trying to say? If you have here as 2 for example, and you have your denominator outside as 2 also, you can cancel out. If you have here as 3 and you have your denominator here as 3, you can cancel out. If you have here as 4 inside the bracket and you also have here as 4, you can cancel out. I have 2 here, I have 2 here. So this can cancel out. What am I left with? 2 here. What am I left with is 1. So this is nothing but open bracket, close bracket, 2 raised to the power of 1, which is the same thing as what? Which is the same thing as 2. Now you can see that I've handled this now out. Now I will also I will take note of this asterisk. I will take note of this also. I will pick this out. 125 open bracket, close bracket, 1 over 3. I will solve this separately as well too. Now this is my denominator of 3. What do we also do? What can we do? How do this is based on 125. You look for the number that